I'm Korean teacher Hyunok-jang.
And I'm Gerhard. I'm learning Korean. Today we will discuss the pronunciation of the sounds of the letters V and F and compare them to English.
In the Korean alphabet Hangul, there are no sounds like V or F. Instead, we use similar sounds to adapt English loanwords into Korean. Let's see how this works.
How do we write and pronounce F and V in Korean?
V is written as B,
B.
B, because the pronunciation is similar.
Try pronouncing the English word victory and then say it as
Biktori.
biktori. V, F, B, B, V. Similar.
Yes.
For F,
We use P or H.
also similar.
Yes. So these sounds are the closest we have to F in Korean.
So there is no F, there is no V.
Mm.
B.
When I was a child, F was mostly written and pronounced as H. For example, family was written as paemilli.
Family.
네, family.
Family.
Nowadays, the spelling has changed and we use P instead. So like paemilli. Family.
Family.
네.
This was part of an official spelling reform, making P the official way to write F in Korean.
However, we still sometimes use H for F in certain words.
Just because it used to be like that in the
Yes.
past. Now let's look at some examples. We of course only have examples of Konglish words, meaning English words or words from other languages that were adopted into the Korean language because there are no native Korean words containing F or V, since the Korean language doesn't have that sound. We will write the words in English first, and you can guess how they're written in Korean. How to say France in Korean?
프랑스, 프랑스.
프랑스. 프랑스.
네, 프랑스.
So instead of F, it's P.
프.
How to say Finland in Korean?
핀란드.
핀란드.
Okay. 핀란드.
핀란드. So again, instead of F, we pronounce
프.
P.
But there is another pronunciation rule.
Watch our pronunciation video and what happens when Bachim N meets an initial consonant L to understand the exact pronunciation of
르.
핀란드.
네.
핀란드.
So 핀란드. 네, 핀란드.
So Bachim N meets R and both of them gets pronounced as L.
르. So L. Yeah. So 핀란드.
핀란드. How to say coffee in Korean?
커피.
Coffee.
커피.
Coffee.
Then coffee shop. In
Coffee
Korean?
shop.
네, 커피 shop. 커피 shop.
Kaffee.
카페. 카페.
Kaffee. And fighting. Fighting is used in Korean similar to the meaning of good luck or cheer up or much success. Or also acha 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 in Korean or toi 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 in German.
Yes. fighting.
Fighting.
But we used whiting before.
Whiting.
Yeah,
Hmm?
fighting. So I use whiting more than fighting.
Ah.
Whiting.
And next one, file, like file for office documents.
While.
While. And then file for computer files.
Pile.
Pile. Is this because the p pronunciation is more modern?
Yes.
And that's why computer is more modern than office files?
Yeah, it
Maybe.
can be.
We don't know, but maybe. Next one, very important.
Yeah.
Fried chicken.
It's very important. Why is it very important?
Delicious.
네. 프라이드 치킨.
Fried chicken.
Or 후라이드 치킨.
Or fried chicken.
Or fried chicken.
Next one, frying pan.
후라이팬.
후라이팬.
네, 후라이팬.
And next one, fried eggs.
Eggs in Korean, 계란.
계란.
계란 후라이.
계란 후라이.
네, 계란 후라이.
Next one, info.
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 So information.
And forum.
포럼.
Forum.
포럼. 싸게
포럼.
야, 포럼. 네, 포럼.
Forum. And foil.
This is a 호일.
Foil.
Yeah. 호일.
Foil, meaning specifically aluminium foil. Koreans don't use this word for other types of foil, like cling film or anything like that. Foil, as you can see, is also an example where h is still used. No one would understand if you used p. Next one,
네.
flash.
후레쉬.
Hureshi.
네, 후레쉬.
This used to mean flashlight, but now it is only used for the flash on a camera or on a phone.
Yes.
And last one, fitness.
네, 피트니스.
Fitness.
피트니스. 네, 피트니스.
Fitness. Thanks for the explanation, Hyunok. This makes it much clearer how to handle F and V sounds in Korean.
You're welcome.
And don't forget to check out our video on why Koreans can't distinguish between R and L and when the letter R is pronounced as L and when as R. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.